guys, take a step towards me. Perfect. Tara, bring it out a little bit more. Right there, perfect. How's it going? I'm Jeremy Saffer. I'm a celebrity and music photographer. We're here in New York City, in Harlem, at Uptown Shots. We're gonna do a band photo shoot and get a bunch of variety in as short a time as possible. All right, we're good. Go ahead and roll timer. Chin down just a little bit, chin down just a little bit. Turn your face this way a little bit. Turn your face to the right a little bit. Awesome, turn your face to the left a little bit. Awesome. Go ahead and add fog. All right, that's fine, that's good. Chins up a little bit, everybody. Excellent. Chin down just a little bit, perfect. Go ahead and bring your hands up. Awesome. Kill the main light. Go ahead and turn to the side a little bit. Perfect. Go straight on again. Let's switch to fire. Awesome. Chin up just a little bit. Turn your face this way a little bit. Awesome, right there. Bring your hand out towards my lens. Perfect. Bring it down just a little bit. Killer. Chin down a little bit more. Awesome. Everybody leaning in toward me just a little bit. Go ahead and turn on main light. Perfect. Go ahead and add a little bit more smoke. Bring your hands in, prayer hands. Perfect. Awesome, chins up a little bit. Cool, go ahead and switch it to purple. I'm gonna change the overhead lighting. Light coming down and then light going up, be careful. All right, guys, chins up a little bit for this set. Perfect, go ahead and add some more fog. That's good, perfect. Awesome, chin down a whole bunch, lean your head this way a little bit. Perfect. Turn in a whole bunch this way. You got it, awesome. Hold that, that looks sick. You guys looking right here, I'm gonna have you look up at the light. Awesome, go ahead and kill the main light. Everybody looking right here. Perfect. Hands down to the side. Strike tubes. Light coming down, everybody be careful. Light coming down. Light coming down, everybody be careful, please. All right, go ahead and kill the purple tubes. All right, I'm gonna pose you guys just a little bit differently. Get in a little bit tighter behind her. Perfect, just like that. One step towards me. Perfect. Tara, backlight, rotate it in a little bit. Just straight on looking right here. That's good, Tara. Perfect. Awesome, that looks killer. Chin down just a little bit. Lean to your right a little bit. To your right just a little bit, right there, perfect. Awesome. All right, let's do a round of solos. Whoever wants to go first. I'm just gonna move this light to the side, grab the camera. Other guys, you are on deck, be ready. All right, chin up just a little bit, perfect. Turn your face toward the light. Awesome. Reaching out toward me. Perfect. All right, whoever's next, jump in. A little step this way, turn toward the light. Whole body. Turn your whole body toward the light. Keep going. Right there, perfect. Awesome. Rotate toward me just a little bit. Awesome. Whoever's next, go ahead and jump in. Perfect, little step this way, right there. Chin down just a little bit. Awesome. Cool, we got it. So we did it. 8 looks in under 5 minutes just by changing lighting and making those little micro adjustments to change the lighting enough where it's a different set. And if you're shooting for a magazine, a band, merch, anything like that, they have variety. They have different looks that they can use for different things. Our changes mostly came from changing the lighting color, the direction of the lighting, one quick light change, and just getting it done as quickly as possible, where there's a lot of shoots I do where it's 30 seconds or 1 minute and you want to get as many looks as possible and you have to be able to do those quick changes. So let's go through the whole shoot. We started with 3000K on the camera, and these are all set to 5600K. That gives you that nice blue kind of moonlit kind of feel. Then we killed the main light, the fog bounces the light everywhere, and you have a backlit shot with the fog bouncing it back at them as well. Then I switched the backlighting to fire, which is the pixel effect on the PavoTubes, and it's setting it from 15 to 40. And that gives you a really good fire look. And it's constantly moving, it's constantly shifting, so no 2 shots are the same, which is awesome, and I love that. Started with it off, turn the main light on, you get a completely different shot. Then we switched to purple, started dark, brought the lighting from above to give it a little bit of a different lighting, more shadow, darker, and have the subjects bring their chins up so you get that lighting on their face. Then we struck all the tubes, brought in the 60C, which is a little color guy, added that red lighting behind them, did some group shots with the lighting straight in front of them, moved it to the side for some solos so you get a little bit more shadow, a little bit more dramatic lighting, and we knocked it all out in under 5 minutes. And that's sometimes what you have to do. You have to learn to work quickly, efficiently, and a lot of that comes with the help I had on set. Having an assistant here to make all those changes. Little changes by turning a light on and off, changing the color of a light, directing, moving, changing what the artists are doing. Those little changes can make a shoot go from, I only have this 1 set in a couple minutes, to I have 5 sets or 10 sets in this short amount of time. Biggest thanks to Uptown Shots and Nanlite for providing the space and equipment for this shoot. Let me know what you think. Comment below.
Hi, I'm Casey.
I'm Kyle. I'm CJ.
And we're Deadlands. And we're here to shoot with Jeremy at Uptown Shots. We're very excited to see how it comes out.